What up, YouTube? Drrylhghes, CustomCrush, back at you with this a restoration vid. Some LeBron 6s, size 10, size 10 and a half. I can't, too little for me, but yeah, I'm probably gonna restore them, probably sell them. You know what I'm saying? Yep, LeBron 6s, rare. Them is the 3M Royals, hard to come by. Them are the Yankees. Got that date and shit on them, and just got the 3M and all that crazy shit, but it's blue, royal blue. I'm about to restore them. If somebody want to get them, they can get them straight up. Got a pair of LeBron 7s as well, and pick a couple pair of LeBron 7s. I'm just restore them, probably put them all up for sale, size 10, 10 and a half. And they ain't bad already, you know what I mean? I just gotta put some paint on them, you know what I mean? Toe boxes ain't all fucked up like that, you know what I mean? Gotta just touch it up. Sole's still good, clean them up, you know what I mean? Ain't nothing, everything's still intact. See what I'm saying? It's all on point, so for good. Strings, everything. So, yep. Shout out to everybody, man. I'm out. I'll keep you updated.